Revolutionary 3D printed homes launch at Wolf Ranch. Icon. The future of home construction has arrived at Wolf Ranch in Georgetown, Texas, where Icon, a leader in advanced construction technologies, has unveiled a community of 3D printed homes that redefines modern living. This groundbreaking project not only highlights the potential of 3D printing in construction, but also sets a new standard for innovation, sustainability, and affordability in housing. These homes demonstrate the potential for solving pressing issues like housing shortages and affordability, particularly in urban areas where demand continues to outpace supply. Additionally, the reduced waste and energy consumption of 3D printing align with global efforts to create a more sustainable future. A glimpse into the future Wolf Ranch is just the beginning. Icon's technology is paving the way for a new era in construction, where housing can be built faster, smarter, and more sustainably. Imagine a future where communities can be built in weeks instead of months, where homes are tailored to individual needs, and where construction leaves a lighter environmental footprint. As homeowners begin to move into these revolutionary 3D printed homes, they become part of a historic moment in the evolution of housing. Icon and its partners have shown that the future of construction is here, and it's more promising than ever. For those curious to witness this transformation firsthand, Wolf Ranch stands as a beacon of innovation and a testament to what's possible when technology meets imagination summaries.